All of you doing great. As we all know, the Gohighlevel's AI employee has this pricing plan that pay per usage. Each of the features, voice AI, this one 13 cents per minute, conversation AI, certain charge. But for the $97 per month plan, it is unlimited usage, right? So the question comes whether you should go for the $97 per month plan or pay per usage, like which is going to cost you more. This is a big question in the mind of the people. So we are giving away this super amazing sheet which is going to do this calculation for you. And literally, I mean, as you can see, this is the pricing and this is the unlimited thing. So the pricing by default is mentioned for these, and there is a calculator. All you have to do, let me just show you right now. Let's say your voice AI monthly usage minute is 500 per minute, right? And conversation AI chatbot replies, let's say 450 minute, and this AI response 10. So it has calculated overall cost for this would be 65, this one would be $9, total cost would be $75. So right now, which is more profitable? Pay per use is much more profitable for you. Now let's say the conversation AI chatbot reply increases to 950. In that case, how much? Again, it's $19, total is $85. It's still pay per use. But let's say your voice AI increases to 800 per minutes. Right now, 104 it becomes the cost, and total cost is $124. That means now the unlimited plan is cheaper for you, $97 per month. So that means, like, instead of going step by step and doing the calculation, here is a simple calculator. You just monitor for the month how much usage is being used, and you are going to get it completely uh, this idea. Now, as we promised, let me give you this calculator sheet. Just one click of a button, you are going to get it completely free. Now, where do you get completely free? I mean, I would not break my promise, and of course, I'm going to give it to you completely free. So all you have to do is just type in abdullahzahid.com/AI, right? So this is the link. Once you do that, this is our uh, AI employee crash course. So now here, all you have to do is just click on the take a course, and within take a course, this is the AI employee crash course, which is completely free for you guys. And within the crash course, like, you can have access to entire voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, funnel AI, content AI. So basically, you would know what all things are included and how does it work, what does each of it actually means. Now, coming on to the AI employee cost calculator, uh, you just have to put in, I mean, just click here, and there you go. This is the link, and the moment you click on it onto it, and you are going to download this cost calculator completely free, and then do the cost calculation completely free for yourself. It's super amazing, right? But not just that, let me just add to it. Like, if you really found the value out of it, that cost calculator that we are giving and this free course that we have formed, just do us a favor of putting our code A within the AI employee as AI bonuses as our referral code, and we are going to unlock and give you this 127 snapshot set. Like, each of the individual snapshots are super amazing, like voice AI that sells it itself, AI agency, communities, coachings, like each of them thousands of dollars. Total worth would be minimum $14,000. We are going to unlock and send you right away at our email, at your email, and then one-to-one personal onboarding. Like, I myself is going to do the personal onboarding of your first client, of your AI employee. With my Gohighlevel expert, we'll form a WhatsApp group, and I will be really, really grateful for you. I'll form a personal community with you, and anything that we access, like over a period of like months coming ahead or even years, anything that we collectively find for the AI will be completely free for you. We are going to keep you updated. So how do you enter our code? Just let me just quickly show you. Within the agency settings, you just have to go to AI employee. Let me just walk you through it so that you quickly do that right away. Like, it doesn't even take 30 seconds. So just click on settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offer, and all you have to do is just put our code here, AIBONUSES, and click on apply referral code. That's it. The moment that you do that, I mean, everything will be on us. Like, we are going to ensure, you can just, to quicken up the process, just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. But anyways, we are going to, anyone who adds our course, we add them to our bonus list, and right away this 127 snapshot set is being sent to them, and you are reserved for this one-to-one personal onboarding call. Anything in the future, like, we form a personal group, personal community, and literally you will have my back, like, with anything, because we full-time focus onto finding all the good things of related with the AI, and you will be on my special list. And I'll be really grateful for you, to you for that. And definitely, this is how, I mean, if you succeed, only then I succeed with it. And of course, the AI employee cost calculator is super amazing. So it is going to help you at each step, and even your client you can show your client as well. Like, let's say how many voice minutes that they are doing, paper uses better, or this one. Like some of the clients, let's say they are using maybe 2,000 minutes, right? And here they are paying $280 per month. So $97 per month, unlimited would be a no-brainer option for them. So this cost calculator is really helpful for you as well as for your client. So right away download it, as well as please put our code AI bonuses into the AI employee, and we are going to send you this super gem of bonus 127 exclusive snapshot that you will have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to get, but you are getting completely free, as well as my personal one-to-one onboarding along with my Go High Level expert. As well as I'll just leave the video to one of the promotional video I just made for this AI employee, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I've been associated with Go High Level from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like, how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then, even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then, how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Go High Level expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you will be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye.